Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you UAE pass face recognition not working, how to fix. If you want to fix the problem, then here you will see these are the possible fixes related to your problem. First, ensure proper lighting and environment. Use the feature enable area to allow the camera to capture clear images. Avoid backgrounds with excessive light or movements. Check device compatibility. Ensure your smartphone meet the app hardware and software requirements. Older devices or updated operating systems may not support facial recognition features. The another option is to update the UI Pass app. Keeping the app updated ensure you have the latest feature and bug fixes. Update the app via the App Store or Google Play Store. The another option is to clear app cache for Android devices. Navigate to settings, then go to apps, then go to UI Pass, then go to storage, then go to clear cache. This can resolve issue caused by corrupted data. And in the last, reinstall the app. Uninstall the UI Pass app from your device. Restart your device and reinstall the app from the official app store. That's it. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.